Did you know that 81% of brands use affiliate marketing to increase their sales? And the industry is projected to reach 15 billion by 2025? In my first 6 months, I made over $20,000 just from affiliate marketing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. In this video, we'll dive into the steps you need to take from choosing the right products to driving traffic and making sales. Ready to learn how to start earning? Let's get into it. First, let's give a brief introduction about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply you find a high trending products or products you believe in, share it with your audience using a special affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's like recommending a product to a friend, but instead of a thank you, you get paid. And here is why affiliate marketing is so popular. First, you don't need to create your own product. Second, no shipping, no handling customer service. And third, which is the most important one, the potential to make passive income is huge. Step number one, create your own affiliate link. One of the easiest ways to create your affiliate link is by using a free platform called ClickBank. You will need to open an account with basic details like your email address, your name, country, phone number. Make sure all the information is accurate as this will be used to send your payments. Once you are in, head to Marketplace. We'll focus on the home and garden category for this video because it's a very popular niche. Here is a little trick for you. When you are browsing products on ClickBank, sort them by gravity. Gravity shows you which products are performing best at the moment. The higher the gravity, the more popular the product, meaning more sales opportunities for you. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the company's homepage where you can learn more about the product. Now, after you have checked the product homepage, head back to ClickBank and click Promote next to the product. Here, you will find your unique affiliate link at the bottom of the page. Click Copy the link. As you can see, the link looks too long. To make it look cleaner and easier to share, I use a free tool called TinyURL. I will leave the link in the description below. In the homepage of the TinyURL website, paste your unique link and you will get the shorter version of your affiliate link. And that's it. We have found a great product, shortened our affiliate link, and we are ready to start promoting. Now, step number two, ChatGPT. In this step, we will use ChatGPT to help craft the perfect product description and threads. Let's use this prompt. Can you write a detailed, point-by-point description highlighting the benefits of dog brain training, which is an affiliate product promoted on ClickBank, and provide the Twitter threads using keywords to attract audience to purchase the product? As you can see now, ChatGPT will break down all the key benefits of dog brain training in a clear, structured way that speaks directly to potential buyers. Step number three, Twitter. Now, let's talk about how to drive free traffic to your affiliate links using Twitter. Believe me, Twitter is one of the simplest ways to get your affiliate marketing game going. And you don't need a huge following or a ton of content. Just a few well crafted tweets can reach thousands. First, you will need a Twitter account. It's easy and simple to create. Just use your email address and a password. After you log in, click on Create and create a Twitter threads. Start a new thread and paste your product description. To make your post stand out, you can also add a picture. Go to pixel.com and search for images related to your product. A compelling image can make your post more eye-catching and engaging. Post and repeat. Now, after posting your thread, copy the description and create another thread with the same info. You can keep repeating this process to create multiple threads. Don't forget to add your shortened affiliate link at the end of each thread. This makes it easy for people to click through and make a purchase. And that's it. By posting engaging threads, With eye-catching images, you're boosting your chances of driving traffic and making sales. Now, let's take the BrainDoc training product that we promote in this tutorial and see how much we can generate from only 4 sales a day. For this product, you will earn around $44 for every sale made through your link. If you manage to sell just 4 of these a day, you are already making $176 daily. Multiply that by 30 days, and you are looking at $5,280 a month from just one product. And that's just the beginning. People are bringing in thousands of dollars each month by promoting multiple products. Believe me, this method can take your financial game to the next level. Give it a try and see how affiliate marketing will help you to succeed and change your life. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to get more tips and tricks on how to make money. See you in the next video.